So I love this bag. We have so many pockets, and if you're a pocket person like me, you like to have everything organized, it's perfect. So there is one big with a lot of small one where you can put your passport or something. Then there is a second one where you can put computer and with a soft protection, so perfect, yeah, for laptop or Apple, an iPad, sorry. You can open it. And the third one, which can be opened even more. And yeah, I love it. I even have a pocket on the side if you want to put like a drink. Another one on the side here. And I kind of love the color. I didn't really like the color on the picture, but the color is way more soft. The size is perfect. And